Hello everyone, this is Yavash from PicInfiniti.net. Welcome to another video of Graph Studio series. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite feature of Graph Studio, scaling. To enable this feature, you can click on this icon or you can activate it from Tools menu. I really like this feature because it's very similar to select feature, but it gives you a very beautiful rectangle around selected node. Let me show you how to use it. First, you need to select some node after enable scale feature, and it will give you a rectangle around your selected node. Personally, I really like this feature, especially when I'm talking in my class or seminar. I want to visually show something to the audience. It's really helpful to see a rectangle around the selected node. Also, we have some other functionality of this rectangle, but visually I really enjoy to see this around the selected node. Before start working and teaching how to use it properly, you might want to, for example, add this node to the rectangle too. You don't need to reselect anything again. You just need to double click on this node. As you see, this will add it to selected group. After that, you just need to click on one of them and you see the rectangle around all selected node. There's another useful functionality of this rectangle is you can easily drag your node and put them anywhere you like. I know we have this feature when we use selecting, but sometimes in my class or seminar, I project the application on a wall, on anything, and it's really hard for me to grab a vertex and drag it and put it somewhere else, especially if the vertex size is very small. Sometimes we need a small vertex size to show other feature of the graph, so it is very helpful to drag the node just with dragging the rectangle. We don't need to try to grab a node and try to drag all of them together. And absolutely the most important feature of the scale feature, it's help you to scale your graph. You can easily do that by different handle I assign to the rectangle. I really like a scaling feature, especially when I try to teach something to my student or talk about a specific part of a graph in a seminar. Let me show you why I really like this feature. Let me generate some graph from here. Activate this. I will cover all of this later. I just want to show you how to use it for talking or teaching in a class. I really use this feature. Let me generate some graph. It's not bad. Okay, it's very dense. What is this? Oh, it's a lot. I think it's good. Let me put it aside. Okay, for example, you have a caveman graph and you want to speak about one of these click. I think it's not a perfect click. Okay, not important. We want to talk about this part. It's very nice to select this part, scale this part, and you can easily speak about this part of graph with your student. Let me disable it first, as you see. And it's very helpful. It's like zooming on a specific part of graph and talking about different feature of that part. And after you've done with your talk or speech, you can easily use U key and undo everything and everything will return to its normal form. Okay, I think I'm going to stop here. On the next video, I will talk about these two features because these two features are work together very nice. They are very good combination. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and share this video with all of your friends. See you on the next video.